nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something
Morning everybody. I feel like I have not filmed a video in so long, and yeah, it actually has been quite a while. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you might not know, but we actually had COVID, and it was, it was quite rough, I'm not gonna lie, but thankfully we're on the mend. We are feeling so much better now. I've got Victor at home with me. He's not in nursery yet. He might be next week. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, I've got him here today. He's probably going to be helping me around, and I just want to do a bit of a clean. I want to kind of disinfect. I washed Victor's bedding yesterday, and I put it out on the line, which is so nice to be able to hang washing outside. I don't know why, it's such a nice feeling, isn't it? Let me know if you feel the same. So today I just took our laundry off the bed, which you might have seen. Obviously we need to get those germs out of the house. Yeah, so I'm just going to pop all of these outside on the line, and hopefully they dry by the time it's bedtime. But I did Victor's bedding as well yesterday, which I'll show you. He has a new bedding and it's so cute, and his one dried really well, so I'm sure ours will too. Yes, I'm just gonna head outside quick to put these on the line, and then come back in to get cleaning.
You don't need coach.
Do you want your coat on?
No.
Might be a bit chilly, but we won't be too long outside. We'll just take these clothes. Do you want to help?
Yeah.
Oh, is it heavy?
No.
No, I can give you a hand.
No.
No, okay.
If I...
Oh, lucky me, I've got my little helper.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Okay, so bedding is out to dry, so I'm gonna put that back on the bed in the evening probably. So I'm just gonna go around and kind of dust a bit with my duster, and then I'm going to spray some surfaces in here as well. So let's go ahead and do that quick.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Okay, so I'm just gonna move into our ensuite. I'm gonna clean sink and toilet in here, just kind of freshen up a bit. And I'm also going to just open up the windows and get some fresh air in, because it is such a beautiful spring day today. It's so nice and warm here. I'm just really loving it.
You can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Okay, so I finished the toilets upstairs. Those are all nice and clean, and now I'm just gonna move into my son's bedroom, into Victor's room, and just kind of tidy up in here as well. So I obviously need to make the bed, and then I'm gonna dust a bit, hoover, and just kind of straighten up a bit in here as well.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while.
Just gonna add this throw on top as well, but I just wanted to show you Victor's new bedding because it's so cute. This was actually a PR gift, so they sent it to me by Happy Linen Company, and it's such a lovely little bedding. It feels really nice, like the quality feels really lovely, and I think it was between 15 and 20 pounds. That's around the kind of the price mark that they have for these sets. Obviously this is like a double one, so it's slightly larger. I believe this was around 20 pounds, and I do have a little discount code for you guys if you want to get some you know, nice bedding for your little ones. You can also get it on a bargain. You can get 20% off. Yes, so I will leave my link in the description box, and that will give you 20% off. But how cute is this? And I actually let Victor pick his bedding himself on the website. We looked on it together, and they had so many cute little designs. They had dinosaurs, a few of them with dinosaurs. They had some rainbow ones. I think they had some sheep, which is so cute. And I was pretty sure he was gonna pick the dinosaur ones, but he didn't. He actually picked this one. So it's got vehicles and animals, and I think he really liked the double-decker buses, like the London buses. But yeah, it's super cute, and it's reversible, so it's got a rainbow pattern on the other side, like a striped rainbow. So really cute. If you guys want like a little bargain on your bedding, then I'll leave my link in the description box. But yeah, they have such cute little bedding sets on Happy Linen. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish straightening up in here.
Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how played for you, I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you, that was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you, that was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night.
It is much later in the day. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but we had a cheeky McDonald's, so I'm just kind of tidying up all of that. I'm gonna tidy up the dining table, just kind of tidy around here. So we basically had our dinner. To be honest, it was a McDonald's takeaway, and we've been outside for a bit in the garden. It's just such a nice day. So I'm just gonna finish my cleanup now, and I'm just gonna finish in the kitchen. I'm also going to hoover and mop as well, because there's quite a bit of crumbs there on the floor.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody,
To be honest, I was going to clean the downstairs toilet as well, but I feel like I don't have it in me anymore. I still want to do the living room because it's full of toys, so I just kind of want to tidy those away, maybe dust really quickly and hoover. Mainly just want to hoover in there because there's crumbs under the coffee table. And I was gonna do the downstairs toilet in here as well. I even brought the cleaning products, but I just feel like I don't have the energy. That post-COVID fatigue is really real. So I think I'm just going to do that tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna leave those there. And I was just going to show you the thing I used in the mop. I got this Flash Crisp Lemons floor cleaner. I really like kind of citrusy scents for spring. I actually like them all year round, but especially for spring. So yeah, I'm gonna leave those there and do that in the morning, because I just don't have the energy to do all of that. And the boys have kindly taken the laundry off the line from outside, and it is all dried up. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop those back on the bed. You're going to help me tidy up?
Yeah, tidy up where?
In the living room.
Tidy up what?
The toys.
Enough.
You want to dust and I'll tidy. Yeah? Okay, you go ahead and dust and I'll get tidying all the toys. Oh, are you doing the skirting boards?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Thank you.
What skirting board?
These are called skirting boards.
But
Oh, lovely. And the furniture. We need to do the furniture, don't we?
the furniture.
Yeah, like the TV unit.
I can do the furniture.
Oh, thank you. Just very gentle, yeah? Great job. Lucky I've got my little helper. It's gonna be so much quicker when I've got help. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you so much.
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5 with all of the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow.
Okay, so that's my cleaning done for the day. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!